Today we attempt to flush this engine block. I've got my little pump I made quite a few years ago. I just had to replace the bucket because it sat outside and it got all crumbly, so put another bucket on there yesterday, silicone that in. Alright, we'll turn the pump on and give it a flush out. It works alright. Right, got the pump filled up with fresh water. I'm going to pump it in the top first and out the bottom hose. Now I do realise that the water will be coming out of basically the top of the block. So it's really going to only flush small particles and, you know, floaties, but all the heavy stuff, to get that out properly, obviously you got to pop Welsh plugs out and clean the bottom of the block out. But we'll probably let this thing run a total in probably an hour, probably changing the water every 20 or so minutes and till it's crystal clear. So all right, let's get started. Rightio, so this has been flushing for well over an hour now. Changed that water, I don't know, probably 3 or 4 times. This hose popped out, had a bit of a water leak. It's all well and good. All well and good. The heater core's been flushed out. Took these 2 hoses here off. There hasn't been any big particles, which I'm a bit wary about. They're obviously sitting in the bottom of the block, assuming there is some. What I might do now is reverse these hoses and pump it in the lower one and out the top. We'll let that circulate for probably half hour, and then I can put the radiator back in and hopefully take it for a drive tonight. Right, I think we're about done here. It's not changing that watercolour anymore, so might drain that out and start fitting the radiator. Flies here are unbelievable. As you can tell, I don't like them. So we clean this thermostat outlet off. Now I don't actually have a gasket for this, so I'm gonna have to make one. Probably seen this done a million times on a million other YouTube channels. So now I'm just going to cut that out. Now I've got my Chinesium hole punches, which work absolutely perfect actually. Something like this. Something like this you'll never wear out. Well, you probably will wearing it out, bashing it on steel like that, but should be alright. And just do one in the middle so I can start the inner hole. Didn't see any of that, did you? My hand is in the road. This is so exciting. Riveting entertainment right here. Oh, look at that. It's mint. Now also to help with cooling on this engine, I moved the bypass hose and put 2 plugs in there, because that hose is originally pretty big. I reckon it's 3/4, and your engine is bypassing a lot of water or coolant through that instead of the radiator. So just to also give it a bit more help, I drilled 3 holes in there to help with bleeding the engine. Thermostat and housing back on. Now the radiator. All the hoses are on. Top hose, bottom hose, oil cooler, transmission hoses, all on. Radiator's bolted in solid. Now, just got to add some coolant. Just topped it off with coolant. We'll start it up and give it a bit of a bleed up, get it warm, and hopefully we don't have any leaks. And once that's done, might be able to take it for a spin and take it for a wash. Get some fuel. What? Oh, I have to give it a bath. A somewhat successful drive. Radiator is perfect, it's running nice and cool, but it's the alternator's not charging now, so we'll have to get that looked at next. Also want to do some front end bushes in this soon too, so it's a little bit loose on the lower control arms. So anyway, we'll get that sorted, and Thanks for watching. We're currently at 440 subs, which is pretty awesome. Happy with that. And yeah, look after your mates. Cheers, thanks for watching.